Hello? Just a few days ago, we witnessed the awarding of the winner of the second round of the SOLARGROUP lottery. Let me remind you, they were giving away a motorcycle and a boat with a motor from the company, Resurs. Maxim was the winner, and I congratulate him on that. The man had absolutely no intention of participating in the lottery. He simply invested in the project. And suddenly this wonderful prize wins. But ahead of us is the third round, and the main prize will be an electric car. Let me dive into history a little. A year ago, Igor Korkov showed me a production car, LADA ELLADA, the engine of which was rewound in the laboratory, Slavyanka, according to the technology of combined windings, Slavyanka. Tests were also conducted in the laboratory there. After installing the engine, it turned out that the car retained its dynamics, while becoming significantly more economical. A fact that I indeed experienced firsthand. The car was definitely purchased by the SOLARGROUP. There were many various proposals for its potential future fate, from a museum to an auction. However, the management ultimately decided to generously give this unique and valuable specimen to one of the investors through an exciting raffle. I certainly believe this decision is indeed quite fair. Who, if not investors, will appreciate the product with Russian development, in which they invest money? And I assure you that the winner will not be disappointed. Of course, not only because we decided to bring the car into perfect order, and we started with dry cleaning. The specialists steamed every millimeter of the interior. The floors, all the rubber, the ceilings. The interior acquired a new look. We also had to tinker with the body. Although there was a little corrosion, even small spots could not be left. You understand why. Therefore, everything was cleaned, covered and painted. We replaced parts that could be swapped out, like the fenders, and ordered new plastic, seals, and thresholds. It's got this creative white interior and those gorgeous wheels with new tires. Sergei Shevchenko and I spent a long time choosing the color scheme, but we settled on the traditional white and blue colors of the Sala. This is the most interesting part of the restoration. Up until now, everything we did wasn't that noticeable in terms of design. I even remembered a joke. The Germans bought you and whatever they did, trying to release the Mercedes, our native Ladas still came out of the gates. Well, that's a joke. And so the experts started changing the color to bright blue with a white roof. It's a meticulous job that doesn't allow for any rush. It's true artistry. The car was transforming right before our eyes and started to look stunning. Friends, when the Slavyanka project started, they weren't holding lotteries with such cool prizes. Well, there were certain competitions in which various people participated in the creation of some kind of new video, a different type of video, where they talked about the project and the reasons for why they were investing and their decisions. Yes, that was also interesting. The clips were interesting. But there really weren't any truly valuable prizes back in those days. Now, I genuinely and absolutely envy those who invested in the later stages and got the chance to win an incredible and amazing prize. Don't forget that the VAZ plant produced just a little over 100 of these cars. This is a truly exclusive prize. As for our future plans, we're moving on to work under the hood. Our engineers are already finishing up the assembly of the controller, designed specifically for this case. We'll definitely show you how we swap out the Chinese controller for our own custom solution. To be continued. See you next time.